Gonna roll into it a little bit. Alright, foot to the floor. What's good, guys? I'm back with a new video on the channel. You guys can remember last week when I posted the video, it was supposed to be about some pulls, but it was snowing that day, so I couldn't really get to do any pulls. You know what I mean? So I felt like that video I didn't really get to do what I wanted. So today I'm doing this video. It's gonna be a quick little short video, probably like 5-6 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but today I'm gonna be doing a few little pulls with the car. So currently we just got some E85. We got a full tank of gas right now. I got 2 5-gallon cans sitting over here. And I got my tool bag in the trunk of the car, which weighs over 150 pounds, you know what I mean? I'm damn near 180 pounds. So you guys already know this car is heavy as shit. But anyways, I'm heading towards the highway right now, and I'm gonna do 1 or 2 third gear hits and just see how the car is moving out, you know what I mean? The car is not tuned 100% right now since we did the last motor swap. This car currently has a semi-built motor by us, so it's not tuned 100%. So if you guys know, no two motors are the same. So whenever you swap over a motor, you're supposed to, especially like performance stuff, I'm not talking like stock shit, you know what I mean? But yeah, whenever you swap over motors and shit like that, when you like trying to go fast, you're supposed to get the car retuned to that motor, you know what I mean? Because compression ratio and all that shit is different, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'm heading towards the highway. I'm gonna do a few little hits, and then we'll see how the car is moving out. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so hit the highway right now, so we're just gonna roll into it and see how it goes. Alright, so here we go. Man. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, this whole time the fucking steering wheel is like fighting me, bro. Jesus Christ, yo. That shit felt crazy, bro. This car is moving. Oh my god, yo. That shit is fast, bro. It's not Red Fury or smoke fast, but that shit is fucking fast, man. That shit is moving, bro. Like, I could feel it though in the tune, man. This shit needs a retune bad, bro. The car feel like it's going lean up top. Like, it just needs a retune. It needs more fuel up top because the car is moving it's moving some air, bro. But damn, man, this shit is fucking wild, bro. It's wild. Jesus, man. Jesus. Alright guys, so pretty much almost home. I'm gonna do one last hit. This is probably the only last good piece of road, so do one last hit. Alright, so here we go. Just spinning, man. One thing about E85, you do a couple pulls and your gas gauge is guaranteed to fucking go down. That's one thing with E85, but it's safest to make power, man. So that's what we're gonna run in this thing, you know. That shit feels spicy. I like it. I literally love this car, man. You know, and so yeah. Hope you guys like this one. You know, it was a quick little video, and I get to do what I wanted to do, which was some pulls. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. Help us keep the subscribers going up, the likes going up. You know, we appreciate it. We're almost at our goal for this year is to hit that freaking 5,000 mark. You know, so hopefully we get there, and hopefully we pass it, man. So as you guys can see, there's still snow on the ground right now. I literally just got back home with the car, so pretty much parking this thing up for right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, doing a quick little pulls. You know, it's what I wanted to do in the last video, but unfortunately I couldn't get to do it in the last video because it was snowing that day. There's a little snow on the ground, but the roads are dry. Hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate all the supporters, everything. You know, our subscribers been going up, and we've been getting a lot of feedbacks from you guys, so we appreciate it. Keep giving us feedback. And the next video coming up is a video we started and we was waiting on some parts, so we're gonna pretty much finish up the transmission, and then we're gonna upload that video, and then we're gonna go from there. So thank you again, guys, for the support. And here's the bad boy over here, letting it cool down, because you always want to let the cars cool down after do pulls and shit like that. So letting this thing cool down, man.